What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you want to know how I created this makeup tutorial only using drugstore products. Yes, drugstore products. Then keep on watching. The moisturizer I'm currently using. Put it all over my face. The thing I always like to start off is with my eyebrows. It's a L'Oreal Pomade. And I'm just using any kind of eyebrow pencil. The first thing I like to do is comb my eyebrows and I just start filling them in. I just like to clean my eyebrows to make them look more neater. I like to use concealer, and this is what I'm using currently, Pro Concealer. Any concealer brush. And I also like to use the concealer as an eye primer. I'm going to start off with the Rimmel one, and I'm going to use this color right here as my base. A big fluffy brush and put it all over my lip. I'm going to grab another fluffy brush and I'm going to use this color right here for my crease. And I move on to the Maybelline Studio palette, and this is how it looks. Now I'm going to move on to a smaller brush, and I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to go in with this color right here. So I'm going to get a small little brush because I'm going to use concealer. And the reason why I like to use a tiny brush is because you can get more control with the concealer. Use this shimmery color to put over my concealer using the same brush I used for, and I'm just going to pat it on my eyelid. I'm going to grab this brush right here, and I'm going to grab this color right here, neatly right here. Do a wing eyeliner using my e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. Now I'm going to move on to my eyelashes, and I'm using the Kiss eyelashes. This is the glue I'm using. It's called a Dual. So I'm just putting glue on my eyelashes like so. I like to use tweezers to apply my eyelashes. Okay, now that the eyes are all done, we're going to move on to the face. Primer, I'm going to use this Maybelline. For foundation, I am using the Milani because it's my favorite. And I already have a damp sponge, and I'm going to do like 3 pumps. And I'm going to put it all over my face. So this is what I use. I use concealer sticks. I use a light one and a dark one to contour my face. I like to use the blender that I use to apply my foundation to blend everything out. Now it's time to bake our face. The powder I'm obsessed with right now is called the Airspun powder, and I'm obsessed with it because it smells so good. Pretty much in all the areas that we contour. Or to contour my cheeks, I like to use the Wet n Wild contour palette, and I go in with this brush. With my little Maybelline palette that I have, and I'm going to start with this color, and then I'm going to add this color, and then I'm going to add this color, and I'm going to mix them all together. And I'm going to use this brush right here. Now I'm going to use this fluffy brush to blend everything out. So this is a mascara I'm currently using. It's the Rimmel mascara. Move on to my highlighter, and I'm currently using the Milani highlighter. This is what I use to highlight my face. Another thing I like to do is put some highlighter in my inner eyes. I like to put it under my eyebrows. I'm going to set my eyebrows with this NYX Control Freak. These are the two colors I'm going to use. I'm going to put this one first and then this one on the top. This is my drugstore makeup. If you like it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you would like to see more tutorials, comment down below what you want me to do. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.